I decided my first task of the day was to repair the little spot that's in front that's missing, the cedar shingle, cedar shake. So I first took the handsaw and did a little rip on this corner, hoping I'd have enough. It turns out I do. I guessed it pretty good. If not, I could have cut a little bit more. Then I took it up on the ladder and measured the distance here and there and marked them, and then I just hand drew. And I also noticed that it's not a straight, it wasn't a straight break. It curves in some, so I estimated that. And now I'm going to saw it. And then after breakfast, I'm going to eat breakfast, and then I'm going to take it up and take a utility knife and carve it if I need to fit it in there. And I have to take the hammer up too to remove that nail. So then I can caulk it in and we'll be good. One nail should hold it. I may pre-drill it down here. I probably will, yeah. I should. And then just to decrease the chance of it breaking. I estimated the thickness of it. It's going to be a little thicker maybe, but that's okay. Okay, and it's important we do this because that's the most important part of the house as far as the design. That's the part people are going to see the most, and I'm going to see the most. Okay, let's get it in.